I've been trying to clean the bottom side of this Jetfire and realized I don't believe I have any videos of the bottom side of one of these cars. So figured I'd post a video. This particular car, I used NOS shocks. Well, they're NOS for this car, but they were made, I think these were made in the late 60s from the GM Pleasurizer shock line. They ride really nice on these cars. Thankfully, it don't have any oil leaks after 4 years of use. Well, 4 years of use, but it's also only about maybe 1,500 miles. I've been cleaning. You can see I still got more to clean. There's spots everywhere. You can see it's starting to rust already. I know it's just the exhaust, but still. I think the brake drums were originally bare steel, but I do a zinc phosphate coating on them. Get it off there so they don't rust that way. Looks like the brake hardware still looks pretty good. It's not too much black soot in there from the brakes. Muffler's rusting a little bit. If you ever restore one of these cars, finding a really nice gas tank is really hard to do. Most people have to paint them because they just don't look good enough. But luckily this one still looked good enough I didn't have to paint it. It's not perfect, but I'd rather have imperfect than painted. Sometimes you just don't have a choice and you have to paint them. Yeah, more area, got to clean underneath. A little secret about my car. Originally there's a bracket that comes off the quarter panel. This don't seem to be focusing in very well. And that bracket come off where this was bolted to that. And I had a little bit of rust right here and we had to replace a little section. And we forgot to put that piece back in. So I don't have a bolt in that part. And my gas tank filler baffle. Yeah, the back shocks are pleasurizers also. These cars also have right-hand threads on the right side of the car and left-hand threads on the left-hand side of the car for lug nuts. Yeah, I'm just really pleased I don't have any oil leaks yet. Yeah, I like the zinc phosphate for brake drums so much better than bare steel. Yeah, and those aren't rusting because I clear coated them. They're supposed to be bare steel. The drive shafts are bare steel, but same thing, I clear coated my drive shaft. But anyway, that's the bottom side of a 62 Jetfire 4-speed car.